1887, this man explained the laws that govern the entire universe: gravity, motion, the orbits of planets. In 1720, he lost his fortune on a stock that never made a real profit in its life. He was, by any measure, the smartest man alive. And smart didn't save him. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why, and why it still happens to smart people today. England is buried in war debt. In 1711, a company is formed to help fix it, the South Sea Company. The deal: it absorbs a chunk of the national debt. In exchange, it gets a monopoly on trade with South America. One problem: Spain actually controls that trade. The monopoly is nearly worthless in practice. The company has shipped almost nothing of value in nearly a decade. None of that matters yet, because what the South Sea Company is really selling isn't trade. It's a story. Newton buys in early 1720. Smart timing. In April, he sells, walking away with roughly £7,000 profit. In today's money, well over £1,000,000. His reputation as the sharpest mind in England is fully intact. He's out. He won. The stock keeps climbing after he sells. Every week it goes higher. Does the smartest man alive stay disciplined, or does he watch everyone around him get richer and change his mind? Surely not him. This is the man who solved gravity. If anyone can resist a crowd's madness, it's Isaac Newton. He gets back in, near the top, with even more money than before. To understand why even Newton couldn't resist, you need to see what the mania actually looked like. January 1720. The stock trades around £128. By June, past £900. Some accounts put the peak near £1,000. That's not growth. That's madness with a price tag. Dukes, poets, servants, members of parliament, all in. Copycat companies spring up overnight. One, according to popular account, raised money for a company for carrying on an undertaking of great advantage, but nobody to know what it is. People bought shares in a company with no stated purpose. That's the environment Newton got pulled back into. Newton's entire remaining fortune is now riding on a stock trading purely on belief. At the exact moment belief is about to break, how much does he lose? And does he see it coming? The viewer might assume, surely a mind like his gets out again in time, even at a smaller profit. Surely the disaster is partial. By September 1720, confidence cracks. Selling turns into panic. The stock falls from near £1,000 back to roughly £124 by year's end. Newton's loss: an estimated £20,000, several million pounds today. Reportedly, he never allowed the word South Sea to be spoken in his presence again. Parliament launches an investigation. Several company directors are found to have known the whole scheme was hollow from the start. Some are stripped of their estates to repay investors. Newton is credited with a line that's followed this story for 3 centuries. I can calculate the movement of the stars, but not the madness of men. 300 years later, the pattern hasn't changed. A story replaces a fundamental. Price becomes the only argument, and it's rarely the people who don't understand markets who get hurt worst. It's the ones who understand them well enough to believe they can time the exit. Markets don't punish stupidity, they punish certainty. If you want the next story where the smartest people in the room got it catastrophically wrong, that one's coming next. Subscribe so you don't miss it.